When is the best time to book your cruise? Let's talk about it. This is a question I get a lot. So, my first answer would be when cruise lines first publish their cruise fares. That can be anywhere 18 months to 2 years before the cruise line sails on that particular sailing. That's the best time to book your cruise for sure, because that's when your cruise fares will be the least, no matter what. There's no such thing as last minute cruise deals anymore. Even though cruise lines advertise that, that really doesn't exist. The best time to book your cruise is when the cruise line first publishes the fares. Like I said, that's when they're the least amount of money. So that's my first answer to that. Really, another good time to book your cruise is when they're offering sales. Like, for instance, I'm filming this on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Travel Tuesday weekend. I'm filming that. And there's a lot of Black Friday sales. There's a lot of Cyber Monday sales. There'll be a lot of Travel Tuesday sales. That's another really good time to book your cruise because the cruise lines are offering inexpensive rates. Now, they're not usually as inexpensive as if you booked it when they first released the fares, like I just talked about. But there could be some pretty good cruise deals if you book on Black Friday. So, for instance, I just looked at a Black Friday sale for Royal Caribbean, and they are offering up to $800 off. That's their Black Friday sale as of this moment when I'm filming this video. And so I was curious, could I reprice some of my clients? So I chose one of my clients who was sailing in June, and I wanted to see, will her price be better if we booked it now? And the fact of the matter is, yes, she booked this cruise a couple of months ago. There was a sale going on, but the Black Friday sale is really good. So I'm able to reprice her to a lower fare because of the Black Friday sale. So you really do have to book at the right time and hit the sales at the right time. Not all sales are created equal, so it really does make a difference when you book. Now, these Black Friday sales, in some instances, they're good, in some instances, they're not, which is why I try to compare rates for my clients. So I want to be sure that you're getting the best rate and cruise fare possible, which is why I do this and why I'm making this video even to begin with. So looking at the sales that are available is a great way to save some money for sure and have some good cruise deals. I'm going to give you a couple of examples that are very common. Royal Caribbean very often will run a kids sail free sale. Kids sail free sale. That is a really good sale because your child, if they're under 12, is sailing for free. So if you're already going with 3 or 4 people, 2 adults, 2 children, that kids sail free is an awesome sale. So I would definitely book a cruise while they're offering that particular deal because it's a good one for sure. What's important to remember about that one is it has a lot of blackout dates. And so this is disappointing to a lot of people because the blackout dates that Royal Caribbean has on those particular cruise deals are probably when you're going to want to sail. You're probably going to want to sail during the summer or on school vacation. And unfortunately, those kids sail free deals are blacked out during those dates. And that ends up being very disappointing for clients when I work with them because they're very excited about the kids sail free promo that's going on. And then to find out that there's a blackout date during the time that they want to travel. Those are only a couple of examples of when I feel like it's the best time to book a cruise. Honestly, the best time to book a cruise is when you're ready to book a cruise. And the nice part about booking with somebody like me is I can watch the cruise rates for you and watch the cruise fares, and I can see if something pops up. So if you book a cruise back in September and I look at these Black Friday deals and I see that you can have a better price, I can reprice that for you. So I think the moral of the story that I feel like you should carry with you is book as early as possible. Those are the best deals going. That's 100% the truth right there. The earlier you book, the better you are. The closer you get to the cruise, the higher the prices go. I have this one person that I've been working with that wants to book the Icon of the Seas on Royal Caribbean. And I really tried to encourage him to book as far out as possible, but he was always looking for that last minute deal. I can tell you, on a brand new ship like the Icon of the Seas, you're not going to have any last minute deals. So If you really want a specific ship and you want a specific cruise line, book that as early as possible because you'll be happy because you'll get the best deal. So for something like the Icon of the Seas, that's a brand new ship. And Royal Caribbean just announced Icon of the Seas sailings for 2026 and part of 2027. If you're looking for Icon of the Seas, you would book that now. You're not going to get a better deal as it gets closer. So just to recap, the best time to book your cruise is as far out as possible. Cruise lines release their itineraries 18 months to 2 years in advance, and that's when you can get the best price for sure. The second time would be when they're offering sales, especially big sales like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Travel Tuesday. A lot of times you can get some really good deals then. And then honestly, my last piece of advice would be is to book it when you're ready to book it. Not everybody wants to book a cruise 2 years in advance. If you found an itinerary and a ship and a cruise line that you like, just go ahead and book it and then just keep an eye out if the cruise fare drops after you've booked it. Or you can book with somebody like me who's a travel agent and I can keep that eye out for you. I just posted a video a couple of weeks ago on how I plan all my cruises. If you're interested in that and you want to learn more about how to plan your cruise, I'll post it right at the end of the video. If you're finding this video helpful, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, the thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you can see every time we put out another video. Your subscribing to our channel means so much, and it doesn't cost you anything. And again, it just means so much to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.